Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. Another leak of Huawei's upcoming Mate 30 Pro surfaced online last week that gives us a closer look at the new waterfall display. The screen will have nearly 90-degree curved sides. This makes the Mate 30 Pro among the first devices to feature such a dramatically curved display. Now a spec sheet for the Mate 30 Pro has leaked online via Twitter. The spec sheet lists the Huawei Mate 30 Pro as having a 6.6-inch or 6.8-inch display with a 90Hz refresh rate. So it will be Super AMOLED waterfall display with Full HD Plus resolution, which will be a step down in quality from the QHD Plus screen featured on last year's Mate 20 Pro. The leaked specs sheet also notes that Mate 30 Pro will carry 8GB or 12GB of RAM, up to 512GB of storage, along with the Kirin 990 chipset and an enormous 4500 mAh battery with 40W supercharge and 27W super wireless charge capability. The device will also come with two 40MP camera sensors, an 8MP telephoto sensor and a 3D time-of-flight sensor on the back. The leaked photo shows the device's notch, which appears to house three separate front-facing camera sensors. One of these sensors is presumably for Huawei's 3D facial recognition function. Surprisingly, the leak states that the Mate 30 Pro will feature Android 10 but without Google apps. The CEO of Huawei said that they will use Harmony OS on the P40 Pro device if they don't get to use Google services. He further said, "Our Harmony OS is ready for smartphone use, but we decide not to use it and still waiting for the US government to let us use Android, and if they continue not to allow us to use Google mobile services, then we will use our Harmony operating system." The Mate 30 Pro will come with an open source version of Android, most likely without Google services, which will be a serious issue for people living in the West and countries which are not called China. The Mate 30 series will be unveiled in September 19th in Munich, Germany. During next week's event, we will either get confirmation of these rumors or we will see what Huawei actually has in store with its next flagship device. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.